Hi everyone, it's Cindy with Creating the Heart, and I waited to the very last minute to work on my embellishments on the 11th. Sometimes this date just rolls in quick. So I'm going to go to my go-to embellishments. And so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to make the embellishments today, and hopefully I'll have some time tomorrow or the next day to work on what to do with those embellishments. So today I'm using Meet Me at the Theater. Not Too Shabby shop. This is the box of the month. This is one of the papers in it and one of the themes. I think the box is sold out, but any leftover pieces can be found in the Not Too Shabby shop. My link in the description box will take you there, as well as a coupon code that you can use. And I'm also using the ephemera, and I am using my scallop dies as well as my stitched circle dies. So these are from I think it's, I can't remember where I got these from. But anyway, you can use any dies that you have or a punch. They all work really well. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and picked out a couple of papers out of this paper pad and kind of matched them up. So sort of a rule of thumb is usually you'll have a sort of tame piece of paper, kind of the B side, and then you kind of have your pattern paper. And you can do it the opposite. You could do it like this if you wanted, but I'm doing it kind of like this. So you kind of match them up, what you're going to do, and then look at the ephemera, and I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm just going to kind of pull all this ephemera out and take a look at what we have and what I might want to do. So this one's awfully cute. Maybe we'll do something, it's kind of big. I don't know. This is really big. The giant couch. And this is a girl on a couch. So I want it to be not so big that it's kind of dwarfing everything. I think I'm going to do this with maybe like that. I'm going to do this ticket. I think I'm going to do some, maybe a star too. And let's see here. Okay, let's, do I have a little popcorn? I don't think so. A lot of stars though, so maybe another star. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and play with this. I've got, let's see what I'm going to do here. I guess I'll use my glue. So I've got some glue. So go ahead and just lay down some glue. So this is just my quick and easy go-to embellishments. These are really fun to have on hand. It's really easy to sort of, you know, decorate a tag or an envelope, a gift bag. Really great for that. So I'm going to look through all of my fun things that I have and see what I can do to make these ready to go for gift giving or card making. Okay, so then what we're going to do is I am going to, I think I'm going to use some foam tape. I think that's the way to go with these embellishments. So let's see here. I think we'll do, maybe we'll do the popcorn. And we'll do a star. So we'll do something to that effect, I think, is what we're going to do. So then I just kind of decide where I'm going to put everything. And so that's the fun part. And it's okay if things like are out of the, you know, out of the circle. There we go. And then what we need to do is whatever project I do is I'm probably going to pull in the stamp set and do, and you know, sentiments and try to jazz it up. I might do some of the other stamps that are with it, but you can see how kind of fun and easy it is to kind of jazz up these circles pretty easily, actually. And like that. And we'll just maybe tuck the ticket underneath. I think that's what we'll do. And we'll make the ticket, I think, flat. So here is the second. You can see how cute those are coming along. And let's see this last one. So we'll do this. So ephemera is great just because it's quick and easy, but you know, stickers are good too. So if you have like things left over from sticker sheets that you have, this is a great way to use them up. And that, I'll do a little. Okay. I think we'll do something like that. So here we go. So let me show you these quick and easy embellishments. Let's see if it needs anything else. I don't want to do anything else to add. Any other? Let's see. No. I think that'll do it. Okay, so let's go over these embellishments. We have this one right here. And this one right here. And then this one. So stay tuned. I am going to turn these into something. I don't know what yet, but you know, you'll be the first to know. And again, you can find these products at the Not Too Shabby shop. You can click the link below. Look in the Not Too Shabby shop section, and you can see all of the pieces that are still available. And the Meet Me in Wonderland is adorable, but also this Meet Me in the Theater is really, really cute too. So thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Craig at the Heart.